Hello, wanted to upload one more video for this Jeep, and I believe in full disclosure, putting out all information, not trying to hide any facts. If you are considering buying this vehicle, this is more information for you to take into consideration when you look at the price. I searched several different websites to come up with the price for this vehicle, and it's a fair price. But this is more information for you to use, and I will scroll through this and you can study it and see for yourself. And I have provided the VIN number in case you want to do more, conduct more due diligence. There's a VIN number for you to use. All right, I'm going to stop here. There's some chart is loading. I want to give it time. All right, let's come back to that. Maybe it needs more time. All right, let's go back up to this chart. Hopefully it's open. Nope, still loading. All right, let's reset. No, still nothing. All right, I can't wait all day for this chart, so maybe if it opens up later, I'll do another video. But you can do it yourself if you're interested. Now, like I said, the VIN number's there for you to use. You can go to the IC Cars website, and you can find the same information I'm looking at right here. All right, thanks again. Bye.